Now, as far as the Congress party's mega counter-offensive campaign is concerned, Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi will kickstart his late but rather interesting election campaigning in Gujarat. It will be interesting to see that come Tuesday, what does Rahul Gandhi actually say or do? Will he directly take on Narendra Modi, or will he be a bit more guarded in his speeches? Because each and every word of what he speaks is going to be monitored closely by the BJP and the Modi camp in particular.
Vadnagar, a small town. The birthplace of Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, which until 11 years back did not have basic facilities and was simply a village. And 11 years down, Vadnagar has seen a facelift, witnessing development like never before.
This is Vadnagar, the birthplace of Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Now, a visit to this particular village, which is no more or by no standards a village. You can see right behind me, there is a 4-lane highway that actually surrounds this entire village, or what was in fact referred to as Vadnagar village. It has now been called Vadnagar city.
A picturesque lake, a helipad, district court, government collectorate, an ITI, polytechnic, solar-powered LED street lights are among few of the additions made by the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi to the place where he was born.
A lot of developmental plans like this court building, a government office, a polytechnic, a lot of buildings which would perhaps give you a sense that this entire place has a very strong Narendra Modi imprint.
While some laud the Chief Minister for making Vadnagar a visible dot on Gujarat's map,
हमारे गांव में गवर्नमेंट साइंस कॉलेज भी है, जो पहले नहीं थी, अभी है। तो पढ़ाई के लिए वैसे शैक्षणिक क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, डेवलपमेंट में भी अच्छा काम है। पूरी तरह से मोदी साहब ने पूरा गुजरात और वडनगर का बहुत अच्छा डेवलप किया।
For the opposition, Modi's contribution to his hometown only qualifying as a PR exercise.
11 साल से जो ये मोदी साहब और भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, तो वो मार्केटिंग अच्छा करता है, वो सेल्समैन में उसकी ज़रूरत है, कोई कंपनी में उसका एमडी बनना दे दो, उसमें उसकी जरूरत है, लेकिन विकास के नाम पर तो जीरो ही है।
Now the Congress may criticize Narendra Modi for the scant development in Gujarat and by extension in his birth town, but the people of this particular town, which just became a town 11 years back, before that it was identified as a village. Look at this railway station, which ends even before it begins, and the fact that this small town is still connected by meter gauge. The people clearly are expecting a lot more from a fourth-time Chief Minister. With Nilesh Shastri, Sanket Upadhyay for Times Now.